How do enzyme exfoliators work? Exfoliation may be the most important step in a person's skincare routine. Proper exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes new growth. It also stimulates blood circulation and makes your skin smooth, glowing, and radiant. Traditional exfoliating products contain granules, where you feel small particles scraping your skin. Thus, it feels like you're getting the effect necessary to deeply clean your skin. However, while granular exfoliators are good for exfoliating your body, they can actually damage the skin on your face. The skin on your face is much thinner and more sensitive, and granular scrubs can cause microscopic tears to the surface of your skin and can strip off its natural oils. So in order to properly and safely exfoliate your face, you should use a non-abrasive scrub like the Organic Enzyme Exfoliator by Ongaro Beauty. How does this enzyme exfoliator work? The Organic Enzyme Exfoliator is made up of natural fruit enzymes from pineapple and grapefruit. The enzymes work by targeting only the upper dead skin cells, giving your face a gentle yet effective exfoliation. Don't worry, unlike granular scrubs, they cannot over-exfoliate your skin no matter how hard you try. Since enzyme exfoliants are non-abrasive and not sensitizing, they are recommended for use all skin types, so they work on dry, oily, and sensitive skin. Ongaro Beauty has also combined these fruit enzymes with powerful anti-aging ingredients. These three active ingredients are probiotics, plant stem cells, and peptides. Together, they promote skin cell renewal and help make your skin firmer and plumper. It's also free from any harmful ingredients like sulfates, petroleum, mineral oil, and parabens. The bottom line is that if you want clear, smooth, radiant skin, you need to exfoliate regularly, and the most effective and safe way to exfoliate your skin is to use enzyme exfoliators. Ongaro Beauty's Organic Enzyme Exfoliator will renew your skin naturally and safely, and you will see and feel the results on the first use. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk.